Happy or sad?
Sad.
Okay. But I warn you, I'll break your heart.
Already broken.
Will you go looking for her?
She's in the past. The past is not my concern. The future is no longer my concern either.
What is your concern, Tommy?
1 minute. Oh, and there's a woman who I love. And I got close. Nearly got fucking everything!
We hate people. And they in turn hate us and fear us. Before the day is over, your heart will be broken. Just the same as mine. Men like us, Mr. Shelby, will always be alone. And what love we get, we will have to pay for.
You forget, Inspector. I have my family.
You've got enough trouble, right, Tommy? The whiskey and the smoke.
This is who I am! And this is all I can give you for what you give me, for your hearts and your souls. Yesterday, I nearly lost my son. You should fucking understand that. Today, it'll be me dead, or you, or whoever it is. He'll wake up in hell tomorrow.